So here we are staging. These are the boxes that they will float down the stream. They'll be waiting in the stream, I won't, but each box will have 70 trout, and as they wade down the stream, they'll stop in likely places and release some trout. Here we are at the start before we get going. We are stalking about a half a mile section of this stream with 600 trout. So the plan is to guide these boxes down the stream, and then at some deeper holes, some good spots, they will scoop out a couple of handfuls. They're lovely German browns. A lot of size to these trout.
Okay, everybody who's got waders, grab a box.
It has now been about 40 minutes since they started, and we are half a mile down the stream waiting for them. They'll make their way to us. We'll load the boxes back up into our trucks and shuttle the team back to the original parking spot.
Iroquois Trout Unlimited.